Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Glorious Model D and also a replacement for my wrist rest. So this is the wood version of it. I got the black one. I believe it had like a brownish color, but I went with the black one because unfortunately the soft one really catches up a lot of dirt, and I cleaned it and still does catches dirt, so I decided to do something different. So I'm really excited for this. Mostly I'm more excited with this mouse because I wanted to get the glossy version, but again, they were sold out. So I had no choice to go with the matte black finish. I wanted to go with the glossy black finish. But again, they didn't have it, and my brother wanted to go, same thing, vice versa. He wanted to go with the glossy version, but again, they didn't have it. So the glossy finish is sold out, which kind of sucks. But I decided to go with this one, and I'm still happy I still got this mouse. So let's unbox this bad boy. Now, a lot has changed from Glorious because the original packaging, and then hold on, let me get that off. So at the back of the box as well, it gives you the description of the mouse, what's the dimensions of the mouse as well, and more information at the back. So I'm gonna open up this baby. That'd be funny if it is the glossy black one and it made a mistake. How awesome that would be. I would be really happy. But let's see what happens. Let's open it up. There it goes, open. Okay, yep. So, ooh, okay. Hello, baby. Let's gonna do the shake test. Nope, nothing. It's really, really good. Now let's compare this mouse to the EC2 from Zowie, EC2A. See, this one is a lot more bigger than the EC2, but feels really, really comfortable. Now, as you see, the new package from Glorious, because the Model O, they had an issue that the cable get disconnect, so this is a new method of them packaging the cable that way it doesn't have that issue. And also as well, which I'm really excited about this from Glorious, is that they sell different types of paracord cables that you can put on. So I'm thinking about maybe changing this black to maybe to red. Well, let's see what happens. And one thing I like about this mouse array is the side buttons are way much more better than the EC2. So let's plug this thing in and see how it looks. And also comes with extra mouse feet. These are 4 mouse feet, but what Glorious did as well, they come with extra large mouse feet that you can put in the middle, which I'll show you right now. Should have it here somewhere. As you see, you can put this on and put bigger mouse feet if you want. It comes with stickers if you want, more advertising, etc., etc. So let's put that towards the side. Oh my God, I'm excited. Oh my God, this is gonna be nuts. Wow. Whew. Oh, let me put it right here. Oh, this is gonna be nuts. Oh my God, perfect. So I'm gonna put that towards the side. Spoiler, I might sneeze because I feel it. Give me 1 second. Might sneeze, hold up. I might sneeze. So open up this baby right here. Oh no, I gotta open. Look at that, I was gonna get ready to break the box. You idiot. Put that towards the side. And let's see, voila. Oh, this looks nice. Oh wow, I like this way much more better. Oh wow. Ho 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 ho. Oh, it has the nice little Glorious logo right there on the side. Has 2 big rubberized feet. Oh, this is way much more better than using this one. Oh, I find this one way much more comfortable. Oh, that's nice. Goodbye. Sorry. You're fired. Ooh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. So stand by. I'm going to plug this baby in. So give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. I forgot to mention this as well. The connector inside the USB cable is orange as well. So here you go, ladies and gentlemen. The mouse is plugged in. It looks very, very nice. Ooh, this is the indication DPI. Oh my God, feels very, really light. So there's only one way to do this. I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna go play some Modern Warfare, and then later on play Battlefield 5. See how this mouse really is. Take care, guys. Goodbye.